I just turned a text that I generated into a fully interactive web page, a quiz, and I even got automatic suggestions on what I could or should change here. All of that and more is possible with the new updates to Gemini Canvas. There's been a bunch of them, and I really wanted to make this video now to show you what exists there now, because this is really powerful and available to everybody. If you've never heard of the Canvas feature, it's essentially Microsoft Word built into an AI tool with a bunch of buttons that can do magical things like create web pages, infographics, and more. To get this working with all the features that they added recently, it's very simple. All you need is a Google account, and then you head to gemini.google.com, and on all plans, this will work. There's one more thing though. When you're starting a new chat, in Gemini, you have to actively enable Canvas. It's different to ChatGPT, where it will just figure out that it might be needed. Here you need to go to Tools right here, and this option that says Canvas enables it. So the basics is, if you write something, in this case, I'll do an essay, but it works for blog posts, tweets, code, really anything that you would be writing. Write me an essay about dangers in the Amazon rainforest. It's always a good topic to contextualize how comfortable it is to be watching tutorial videos on AI from your device without wandering spiders and pit vipers all over the place. Now that it wrote this essay, you can see this works like Microsoft Word, with the one difference is that this text lives in a cloud, meaning when I delete a paragraph here, it automatically saves the updates within Gemini here, just like a Google Doc would. The basic stuff that I'll brush over is that you can change heading sizes and formatting of the text just like you would in Word. But where this gets interesting is these extra buttons that are kind of magical. With change length, you can move a slider and it will shorten the entire text in an instant. There you go, showing you all the changes. Beyond that, you can also change the tone. But from these basic functions, this is my favorite. It can suggest edits that you could make to improve your text. I basically do this every time I use the feature. Just hit the button and it will annotate which parts could be changed, with the changes being pre-generated for you. Okay, so that's the baseline, but here's the amazing part, and some of these were just added recently. Whenever you have a text, here at the top right, it shows this create field, and it hides a lot of features that have proven to work in other applications from Google that are directly in here now, like turning a little essay on the dangers in Amazon into an infographic that would look like this. Or maybe I'm learning about this topic and I want to turn it into a quiz. It's just one click of a button away. Or here's one that I actually use regularly, turning it into a web page, because that's just a more aesthetic way to share this with somebody else. There's many AI features out there, but this one everybody should be aware of because it's just so useful to turn any piece of text into another medium with the click of a button. So go ahead and try it today, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We make tutorials like this all the time, and with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day.